Yes, word. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Swerve with another fucking vid. It's been a while since I picked up this camera and really recorded some shit since I've been back, but right now we're getting dressed. We about to head over to a little Cars and Coffee. I already know I gotta check the time for y'all. It is 9:07. I see the lock screen. Focus. Make it happen. Shock everyone. 9:08 in the morning. We about to head over to this Cars and Coffee. It's probably like maybe 30-40 minutes away. Yeah, about to show a little face. It's like some BMW versus Audi shit. So I know I gotta go over there, put on for the BMWs out in Texas, cause you know I don't be seeing a lot of BMWs in Texas. Let me know down in the comments if one, y'all are in Texas, two, if y'all be seeing a lot of BMWs in Texas. This little fit for the morning, little Travis Scott tee, Hellstar shorts. I mean, not too crazy. Yeah, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I turn on notice. Yeah, we finna get ready to see how this shit about to go, man. I'm gonna pick y'all up, maybe if I'm while I'm driving there, or y'all just gonna see right at the car meet. Yo, yeah, tell me right before I was about to leave the crib, I was like, nah, let me see how far it actually is away from my crib, right? So then I get on Instagram, bro. Look at this shit. Thunderstorm cancellation pushed to November 3rd. Like, November 3rd, bro? I'll understand if it was, like, pushed to later September. Cause it's the 1st. Or maybe October. But y'all skip October and go to November? Crazy. So I guess I'm going back to sleep. Hopefully we can find a car meet later to go to, so this video could still be a video. So yeah, no more Cars and Coffee. I'm going back in my bed. So yeah, we at the car meet right now. It's like 9 o'clock. They got the shits outside. He got a little Chucky show and shit. It's cool, it's decent. Some decent shit. Nothing too crazy. Y'all see my shit. Shit nice. Start to feel me. Got the flavors outside. Beans outside. Fake a movie. Let me see some. You got some little gal shit. These little mini shits. They got the mini shits outside right now. Got it? Shit fake loud. What happened?
Yeah, if I slide with the dude, but he won't come again. I might fuck at that nigga with his friend. Give her the dick, got a band like, damn, they ain't know I could free style.
Damn.
On that bitch, she could see like my style. Got the
damn.
Got the drip, got the damn.
Damn.
Got the jam, then got the yeah.
Why my shit looks so sexy right now? My shit looking beauty demon. Beam skis. I got baby bro next to my B. You got my car, you got baby bro right here. Tight shit.
They gave you know who the camera, huh? You see what he about to do. I'm about to get a T. I don't even care how quiet it is. I gotta yell for my man. You gotta support your man through whatever. You feel me? Swerve Jr. about to showcase why he's one of them boys that just called me. Yes, Swerve! Swerve Jr. That was calm. It's cute shit. What's the lineup fact like? We can get a nice little lineup vibe right here, like. Swerve Jr. You better. Yeah. it's more swerve. Oh my God, it's more swerve on YouTube. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's more swerve on YouTube. Yo, you're more swerve on YouTube? No way. No fucking way.
I mean, well, we about to leave this shit fake, man. I'm going back home. Wasn't out here for too long. Probably like 20 minutes. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Probably. I'm back at the crib though, after the car meet. Right now, y'all see what I'm on. Black Ops 6 beta. Let me show you how I really get down. For the niggas that don't know, I'm really nice. For the niggas that don't know, I'm really fucking nice. Yeah, we're back at the crib. Car meet was very, like, mid. Like, that shit was ass. So, I had to get up out of there early. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow, Labor Day, probably gonna be another car meet tomorrow. So, we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see where life takes us. So, yeah, right now, it is a few days after that weak-ass car meet. So, now, I gotta go to a new car meet. Today's what, Wednesday? When did I go to other shit? I don't remember. But I think this shit should be later. So, it's like 40 minutes away. But we about to head over there right now. I'm dressed, feel me? No gay shit, but we got a banana for the road. 40-minute drive, keep us, feel me? Keep the nutritions flowing. We're about to head over there right now. I'm gonna pick y'all up. Probably while I'm in the car, maybe one time, or when I just now get there. Tell me I'm at the car meet, and this shit's out of Houston's hot chicken. Yeah, that shit. Tell me how this shit's at a Houston's hot chicken at a fucking mall. This shit is the most weirdest car meet ever. It's like car meets at 2 different locations right now. Yeah, shit's dead ass at a hot chicken. Like, what the fuck? Yours here, Lamb's here. Yeah, this shit's so weird. This shit is all, it's all blackface. I am right now outside. Gap cam on the screen. I'm on back my gap cam on. I love my shit crib actually. Yeah, this shit is the weirdest car meet ever, bro. Like, look. Shit's over. Come down here. It's a lot of vets outside though, a lot of vets. It's a bunch of vets. I wanted to get my car and spin this shit, but can't even do that. Can't even do that, so I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try for y'all. I'm gonna try to get some clips and film of me revving too. Niggas gonna know my body. What's these? Ain't nothing crazy. That ain't no calm shit, forget it. He must have heard me say calm shit and was not jacking. I said that, my fault, gangster. Okay, so this is where it's active at. This is where it's active at, Ty Biggity. Alright, D-man. His shit say B58 on his license. Jacking the carbon hood on this guy. The carbon hood on this car is fake hood. Niggas looking at me back out my gap cam. Don't make me back out the gap cam, nigga. Fuck. Another carbon hood, little funny. Now I'm gonna go get my car and drive it up here. This is an argument. We got Deadpool on this shit. Okay. Okay, Deadpool with the underglow. Now let me get my V. Let me get my V now. I'm seeing a lot of BMWs today. A lot of beams today. A lot of beams. I see them things outside. Yeah, I see they jacking my V. Of course. Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? You would have to be a literal idiot to not jack my car. What's this? What's that? Oh, shit just started 39 minutes ago. I was just dumb earlier. gonna get shut down. I should have pre the police officer said, yo, y'all gotta chill with the road, they're gonna shut it down. Yo, biker boys pull up, start grabbing that shit. Them kids just pressing niggas to rev it. Them Don't get it shut down in 40 minutes, guys. Don't get it shut down in 40 minutes. Nah, y'all don't even know. This isn't even the only part of the car meet. And it's 40 minutes in only, and this shit is so active right now. Maybe the last one was so ass, I forgot how an active car meet looked. No trouble. No trouble, I might have forgot. Just walking around trying to find some other shit, some fine shit. Some fine shit. Right here. If you know, you know. That's some pain right there, child. Got the M2 here. I don't know none of these shits are called, man. Scat pack right here. Like, I'm not a fan of them shit, but I see too much of those to even take into consideration and do research on them shit. Pre-bro. Pre-bro's hood. Pre-bro's mirror cap. He's trolling. He's trolling. He's trolling with this view. No cap. Let me get some closer looks. This looks like some real Need for Speed, old school shit. Yo, chat, am I crazy if I get one of these? Am I crazy if I get one of those? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. This is a Z4? Yeah, you got a Z4. Like, nah, chat, am I dead ass crazy if I get one of these? Let me know down in the comments. I got these two little young niggas in me right now. Random chill with me for the day. Two young niggas at my villa. I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna make it hot, but I'm gonna show you. Shit, I should let them guys right. I have to rev my shit. One thing about my shit though, when I rev, it's a 50-50 chance my shit gon' pop and bang. That's the only scary thing. Content for my phone, y'all. Let me get some content for my phone. Yo, this car meter is so active. So active. And everything sounds louder because we're in a garage. That's what makes it him. Out there, hold on. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn those noties. And yeah, more upgrades coming soon, more content, more everything. We'll catch y'all niggas.